Kerala is a food's paradise with its delicious delicacies. Iddiappam is a popular and traditional dish. For this, rice flour is mixed in warm water with a dash of sugar and salt. This batter is then put in a typical Iddiappam mould available in most shops. The batter can be sieved onto a steamer or cooker strainer. Strings are then steamed for 10 to 15 minutes. When it's soft and spongy, Iddiappam can be served with delicious coconut chutney. Another delicious fish delicacy is Malabar fish. First of all, in a pan, boil water and add the fish into it. Put turmeric, salt, vinegar and curry leaves and boil further. Now add sliced green chillies and tomatoes. Cook for some time. Add water mixed with red chilli powder and then add any vegetable oil. Finally add peas and sauted onions, ginger and garlic and cook. Your Malabar fish is ready to eat. If you have liked these recipes, please like, share and subscribe.